3 meals you should avoid having for dinner. Eating healthy is something everyone should be mindful of. It doesn't only entail finding the right diet but sticking to its routine. Being on a diet can either make you gain or lose weight, depending on what you solely hope to achieve. However, it is advisable to note that your stomach walls are just as important as that diet or that body goals. In other words, be careful of what you eat at specific times. The same way the essence of not skipping breakfast is preached is right about the same way you ought to treat your dinner. With that in mind, here are a few meals you should try to avoid eating at night. 1. Beans. For all you beans lovers, this isn't a suitable dinner option regardless of the fact that it is quite a good source of protein. Eating beans at night makes you drink so much water. This could lead to you waking at intervals to urinate. And this leads to you not sleeping well and probably a sleep-related illness. If you must eat beans, do so before 7 p.m. and if you find yourself, for some weird reason, hungry again, stick to fruits. 2. Eba or Semo, swallow. A typical Nigerian finds it hard to do without the traditional dishes like eba or semo with any soup. But, what they fail to understand is that this sumptuous swallow takes a while to digest. Also, eating this at night has a high possibility of giving a pot belly at the end of the day. Why? This is because you get to consume a chunk of carbohydrate at an hour where you are not active, i.e. busy working or walking to aid the quick digestion. 3. Potatoes. Potatoes are quite filling, so if you know you don't want to end up going to bed with a stuffed stomach, avoid having it for dinner. Bottom line is, you need to be mindful of your stomach and understand what digests faster than anything else. Constipation isn't a good feeling, so pay attention to that diet and speak with your nutritionist if you have ulcers or any stomach-related ailments in order to get the best meal plan. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.